Hello, I'm TJ here, and in this video we're going to install Git. Git is a terminal just like the command prompt or a terminal in Visual Studio Code to be able for you to send commands to either create directories, navigate to a specific folder, to be able to clone code from other repos, let's say from GitHub, and so forth. It is needed if you want to break into tech or if you're going to have a software development career, things like that. There's many terminals that you can use. Git is one of those. So you just for the fact that you will need to get familiar with it, or simply if somebody mentions it, you know what they're talking about. So I'm just going to install it. You may not use it because we can probably do that directly with Visual Studio Code. But again, it is a nice to have. So I'm going here to my virtual machine. I'm just going to go Git, download. It's this one here. Just going to do Windows. I have the 64-bit machine. Let's do that. Double click. Yes. Next. It's going to do default. You can create the start menu folder if you want or not. That's up to you. But most of it is going to be let Git decide, override the default. In this case, we're just going to go with the default options. Okay. That's it. Next. File for immerse. Next. And install. Okay. So just give it a few minutes. And I will show you what it looks like on my machine in order for you to kind of navigate some of the commands and things like that. But you will get that throughout the whole video. Let's just do that. Git batch. Once. This is the release notes. So what you just installed, the licenses, all that good stuff. You don't need that right now. That is it. So this is what it looks like. If I go to my machine here, I can actually go to my repos folder. So let's say my repos, I go to this machine, this folder, which is my repo for the York Story creator, which is the one that I created for my daughter and also demo to the kids, which was amazing. So the way that I'm opening here is like I'm right-clicking, I'm going into the folder itself, right-clicking. Depending on your machine, here I need to do show more options. I have the Git batch here. It open up on the other side. And I can do LL to give me the files on that directory. I can CD into VMB, which is probably empty. Actually not empty. That's actually the virtual environment that was created. I can get out of it by CD ... So it's going to can list the files like in a line or list them as a list. So that I know. And if I want to spin up the app here, I could do a streamlit run. In this case, it's app.py. It's going to spin it up and the browser is going to open up, and it open up on the other side. And that should do it. That is Git. All right. I'll talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Thank you.